In this video, I will try to solve how to calculate 1001 to the power 1 by 3. What is the value? How to calculate this value? So to solve this, how we would do is, now we can write 1001 as 1000 plus 1. Fine. And which is equal to, if you take 1000 outside, 1 plus 1 by 1000. Okay. So 1001 1 by 3 is equal to, so it will be 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, so it is 10 1 plus 0.001 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so now this term is very small, so you can use binomial expansion of first two terms. So it will be 1 plus nx, so 1 by 3 times 0.001, and the answer is 10.0033. So this is the answer, 10.0033. Fine. Hope you like this small video. So subscribe and thank you.